Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to let your friends join your private server on Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Roblox application and I'm going to open one of my server on the Roblox games. And I'm going to open my server and grow a garden. Okay, I'm going to click on this menu to open the private server. I've already made a server from Grow a Garden game. Okay, this is my server guys, and if we want to let our friends join our private server, we need to configure the server. Okay, make sure that you allow joining, activate this menu. And also this one, connections allowed. So your connection will be able to join your private server. And you can also send the private server link to your friends and they can join your private server. And of course, the step will be the same for every game on Roblox. This is just for an example. Okay guys, and that's how you can let your friends join your private server on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.